This is a brand new 2013 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include an intercooled turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, performance tires, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a passenger side vanity mirror, dusk sensing headlights, a keyless entry system, and a rear spoiler. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
All American Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 520 River Street in Hackensack.